What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Steve, Putnworksteve, and I'm back with another video, and I appreciate every last one of y'all for coming here and viewing this video today. Today's video here, right now, that you are watching is about how to grow your hair in 30 days. Guarantee this will work for you, and this goes for every single man out there that needs help right now to grow their beard a better way. This video right here is certain tips that can help you grow your beard in 30 days guarantee. Okay, so now as you see my beard, right, is full in effect, and the ladies love it. My girl loves it. Every woman loves it. You know, my mom loves it. My grandma loves it. Every woman loves a beard. They love to play in it. They love to see it. It's a way of showing that you are a man. That not just saying like you're a man, but you're a man. Ladies love it. It's sexy on us, and guys, that's like a big thing. Every guy wants a beard nowadays. So I'm gonna let you know this right now, genetically wise, every single guy in this world cannot grow a full beard, but they can. It just needs some little tweaks to it. Tip number one, just let your hair grow. Let it grow wild, let it rough up, let it look crazy, don't matter. Look, women's gonna like you anyway, they gonna sleep with you anyway, they gonna talk to you anyway. If they desperate enough, it doesn't matter how your beard looks. Let it grow wild. It doesn't matter if it's all crazy up here on your cheeks, doesn't matter if it's growing here crazy under your neck, all over it. Let it grow wild. Why? Because you are letting your hair grow. That's the thing of growing your beard, right? Let it grow wild. Let it grow. Number two, if you have like a very small beard and you're just at the beginning stages, I'm gonna let you know this right now. There's a vitamin that I think will be best and perfect for you to take. It's called biotin. Take biotin. It's for hair, skin, and nails, and you need that 100% to help grow your beard fully. Like I'm telling you this right now, I take it, my nails be growing, my toenails be growing, my skin be glowing, and also my hair on my top of my head and on top of my beard just grows, man. Like everybody asks, like, how the heck do you get that going and rolling with your beard? I'm telling you, vitamins is number one thing. Also, take your men daily vitamins. Don't matter what type of men daily vitamins you're taking, take it. I'm telling you right now, it helps. But biotin is like the number one thing I think every man should take, and this is going to help you out in the next 30 days in order to grow your beard. Next tip. Look, I'm gonna tell you this right now, even though your beard is all rough and stuff like that, and it may feel itchy, don't give up. I'm just letting you know that right now. Don't give up on your beard, man. Your beard means everything. Sometimes people ask me, what does my beard mean to me? Why do I have a beard? What makes me want to have a beard? You have to think about that. Why do you want a beard? Think about that. Don't give up on it. If it looks crazy, if it feels rough, if it feels itchy, don't give up. When it feels itchy sometimes, that means it's growing. If you're taking care of it properly, it's growing. Okay, don't give up. If it feels itchy, another tip we're going to get into, make sure you have some type of beard oil. Have a beard oil. What I use is Jamaican black castor oil. I use this all the time for my beard. I also use other types of oils in order to help my beard grow. You need some type of oil so that way you can keep it moist, keep it looking healthy, keep it looking shiny. And think about it, your beard is like your hair. So if you're taking care of your hair, make sure you take care of your beard. So treat your beard like your hair, if that makes sense. I'm telling you this right now, if you treat your beard like your hair, man, you're just changing the game, and I guarantee your beard is going to grow. Next tip, always when you are washing your hair, like I said, wash your beard. Shampoo and condition your beard as well. Treat your beard like your hair. I'm telling you this right now, when you maintain it to the fullest and oil it down, and man, whoo, just watch the growth. Watch it, because right now your hair on your face is like, yo, hold on, wait a minute, this is something new. I never had this happen to me. It's growing. You're taking care of me. I thank you so much. And it just, oh my gosh, like I'm telling you, when it starts to show, you're gonna be like, whoa, like it's a little dry. I need to take care of it. So shampoo, condition, make sure you oil it. Another thing you need to have in order to help grow your beard out in 30 days, you need to have a comb, and you need to have a brush. Know how to brush your hair down, or whatever type of pattern you're trying to get your hair down. Make sure you have a comb to comb your hair out, okay? You want to be able to maintain the hair that's on your face, to grow it out, to keep the pattern going, so that way when it starts to grow, it grows down or up or whatever, how you want your beard, because all beards grow differently. But if you want a beard like mine, I'm letting you know right now, you just want to have 2 different types of these things, and that's a comb and a brush, okay? Make sure you have this. It's going to be able to help you in the long run, so that way you won't have your hair on your face looking crazy. Make sure you take care of your beard. Just like your hair, take care of your beard. All right. Another tip I'm going to tell you guys, it's all about your health. Now, remember when I did mention about the vitamins and the biotin that you need to take? Look, go to the gym. Make sure your health is proper. Watch the foods that you eat. This is all about testosterone. Did I say it right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Leave a comment down below. I knew I said it wrong. But this is all about your health. Look, guys, if you do not care for your health, your hair is going to fall out. Do not stress. Stressing is not good. Find some type of way to meditate. Find some type of way to go to yoga or something. Do something so that way your mental health, your health, the way how you eat, you know, your diet is perfect for you. In order to have a healthy beard, you need to have a healthy diet. It's within the foods that you eat in order to help grow what's on your body, to make your body feel strong, to make your hair feel strong and grow strong. And if you want that nice sexy beard, so all the women that can look at you and feel on you, you know, on your face and stuff like that, you know, make sure you eat properly, okay? So I guarantee you, all these steps that I just took you through to grow your beard, I guarantee you're going to grow your beard in the next 30 days. You're going to see something. And when you see something, I want you to come back and leave a comment. And leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about what I just said. And I want you to leave a comment down below and let me know your progress. I want you to, you know, hit me up or do whatever you can to let me know if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any more questions on how to grow your beard, guarantee you there's all different types of stuff out there on the internet that can help you out. But I guarantee you these steps that I just gave you, there's no going back. Like, this is free stuff that I just gave you. This is free information I just gave you. This is free 99. Free 99. I'm letting you know this right now, guys. I'm letting you know this right now. So, with that being said, it's your boy Steve, Putnworksteve. I am always coming back with more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man, and get into them comment sections and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. But this is 30 days on growing your beard, because a lot of guys ask me all the time, how do you grow your beard, Steve? Trust me, I got you. I got you. Trust me, I got you. Don't worry, I got you. Let it get it focused. Get it focused right now. Get focused, Steve. Get focused. Look at that beard. Peace. All right, I'm gonna move to the